Hello everyone, let's study about astigmatism. Now, astigmatism is a defect which arises due to the fact that the cornea will have different curvatures in different directions. Recall that cornea was the part of the eye where light would undergo refraction. It would be more or less like spherical. If we look at its cross section, it's something of this kind. Now, this shape of cornea could change because of many reasons. This could become more conical like this, or it could become something more like this also. So the shape of cornea could change, and there are many reasons for it. One could be genetics, other could be the environment also. So these factors could change the shape of the cornea, and because of which the focal length in different planes would be different. If we draw two planes like a vertical and horizontal planes, if we draw two planes like the horizontal and vertical planes, then the refractive index or focal length in these planes could be different, because of which the image will not be focused sharply. Now here, if you assume that the focal length is different in the vertical plane, now that could lead to either short-sightedness or long-sightedness, and there may not be defect in the horizontal plane. So something like a stick could be seen to be curved like this. That is, an object which is straight may appear to be curved in that plane. But the brain recognizes that the object is straight, and the brain would correct itself so that the image form would be straight and only. That is, many people with astigmatism, mostly children, wouldn't realize that they have astigmatism because the brain does the extra work to correct the shape of the object. But since the brain does more work, it would lead to some kind of problems like headache. So astigmatism is mostly seen in that form only. In some cases, the brain cannot correct to the extent that the object appears to be curved only. So the focal length would be different, and instead of a single focal length, we would get multiple focal length. So the object appears to be distorted. Now this kind of a defect is corrected by using cylindrical lens, and the power as given here, we can use cylindrical lens, and the power would be different based on which plane there is the default. For example, if there is a default in the vertical plane or vertical saying, then the cylindrical lens would have power along that axis only. So astigmatism is corrected by using cylindrical lenses.